Hello friends, welcome to my creative, well-known, popular and unique educational channel to watch more creative videos on face alignment using Python. As we have gone through many videos on face alignment, such as 2 years ago I have done one video using DLIB library of face alignment, very popular video. Then few months ago I have done face alignment from multiple faces using same DLIB library and many more. And we have seen another video just month ago, face alignment using DLIB and MediaPipe with multiple faces. And so we have seen many videos on face alignment. Today's video is really creative and interesting. Right now I am very busy about MTCNN model, so today's video is about face alignment using MTCNN. So let us go through the program code. This is all about the program code. Here MTCNN model has been function and this is used. Now I am doing face alignment using MTCNN with landmark. We have seen DLIB with MediaPipe face alignment with landmark. Here the switch condition is different, so I will execute the program. Yes, Shahrukh Khan photo is little bit inclined, you can see here. So here landmark is done with proper landmark, eyes and mouth and nose in this detected. Now this is the clear cut face of Shahrukh Khan. So I successfully done with face alignment using landmark using MTCNN. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. I will be back with more and more creative videos on face alignment and using DLIB, using MTCNN, if possible using FaceNet and many PyTorch and many more videos. So for latest update about machine learning, keep watching my channel sanjaymazar youtube.com and YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.